What is up, guys? My name is Rob Alexander and I ride BMX. So it's been a minute, been in a lot of pain lately, and yeah, haven't ridden my bike in a month. So it all started with my hand, my thumb. I sprained my thumb pretty bad, and once that was healing up and I was almost ready to go ride, my arthritis hit, and my ankle was just torn apart for a couple more weeks. So we're at about a month without riding, and yeah, I have something that I've been working on while I was hurt and couldn't ride my bike. So I found a Haro Shredder 24 on OfferUp for $120. And if you guys know the Haro Shredder, it's not your most high-end bike out there. It comes with one-piece cranks, your run-of-the-mill A headset, and everything else is okay, but it comes with tiny bars, and the setup really isn't good at all right out the box. So I did buy this bike stock. I bought new tires for it. I bought new bars for it. And I bought a new seat, which isn't the best, but it looks really good. But all the other parts I had laying around, and yeah, they kind of worked out. So yeah, let's check out the bike. This is my new / old custom Haro Shredder 24. This bike is pretty clean. It has barely been ridden. There's like a couple little scuffs on it on this side, but like nothing really. There's no dents in it or anything. So yeah, pretty much fully customized this. So let's start from the top, I guess. Okay, not really the biggest fan, but I was supporting my local bike shop, and they had chrome bars, and these are SE bars. I'm more of a, I don't know how to call it, like a freestyle hardcore BMX guy. So SE isn't really a company I grew up riding. I know it's a legendary company, but to me, I'm not about like the super big wheel 26 wheelie 29 inch, now 36, which is, oh my god, like what the hell. Not about the wheel life, but you know, whatever. Their bars, they were like $75 for chrome. Nowadays, kind of hard to get. So got some SE bars, and they actually look really good. So got some SE bars, went with the SE grips just to match the bars, and running my trusty Haro 78 lever, and then I got obviously the matching calipers. Got the Odyssey front load, rocking it on here. You know what though? These bars have great knurling. So if you're looking for bars that are chrome, that are under $100 with great knurling, these are great. I've run into a lot of slippage with this. I still don't know, but I'm pretty sure I won't slip on this, because just installing the bars, it was gripping so much already, so I think we're safe. Yeah, got the logo there. These are the stock forks, chrome forks. Seem pretty decent. I mean, I'm not gonna, totally rip this thing, but we'll get some tricks down on it. Got some SE pegs that I got for super cheap. I wanted the knurling. I could have just got any run-of-the-mill pegs, but just wanted the knurling to maybe try to do some flatland stuff in the future. Don't know. Don't quote me on that. But if I want to grind out, I'll switch them out. No problem. And then the tires. I just picked these up today. These are the same tires that came on my Haro Master, and a local bike shop had them in stock. I was looking for tan walls or brown walls or whatever, and they had them in stock. So I picked them up, and they were really cheap. They were like 24 a pop. So I've had these tires, 2.24 by 2.1, perfect size, I think. I don't like 2.4s on a bigger bike. It just feels way too sluggy. So and anything under 2 is just like too skinny for me. But yeah, 2.1s are great, and they look awesome. They totally just tied in the bike for me, and I love how it looks. So I think one of the things lacking on this bike are the wheels. Single wall, very skinny, with open ball bearings. These aren't sealed, so I mean they're semi-sealed, I guess, but not the greatest wheels. I'm pretty sure I'll bend those, but we'll try not to. In the meantime, moving on. So got this SE seat for free. Did not buy this. I got gifted this, so yeah, it is not comfortable, but it looks sick. Might swap this out for sure if we're gonna take this on longer runs. C-post, just your run-of-the-mill silver C-post. Got that from Carson Cyclery. Got the bars from Carson and the grips. So thank you, Carson, for helping me out. And then I threw on my Odyssey C-clamp. Looks pretty cool. Went and put on my Group 1 cranks, of course, to match the Haro. Got my Odyssey trails on here. They just look good with silver. And you know how I like my metal pedals, Pantera. You gotta grip. You need the grip. Can't be slipping. So yeah. And then if you guys seen recent videos, I picked this up from Oriole Bike Shop in LA. This Haro Legends sprocket. I think it's a 39. So I'm running 3916. And yeah, I think that's it. That's everything. I think the one thing that I would change on this, just to complete the look and make it super beautiful, is a chrome chain. But other than that, this thing is so sick. I got so lucky on this thing. I think with the parts that I bought for it recently and the bike together, I'm under $300, which was my goal. Which, I mean, for $300 you can't get a bike like this, you know. There's no way. So I went used and I got what I wanted. I was looking around at new bikes and I was like, I don't want to spend $700 on something I'm gonna just swap out the parts with, and it just doesn't make sense. So I built this thing up for under $300. Of course, I had some parts in the bin that went with the bike, so that saved me a ton of money, like the cranks, the sprocket, and the pedals themselves. This setup right here will run you I don't know, $250, just the crank set. Oh yeah, I did buy a sealed American bottom bracket because it came with loose ball. So yeah, this bike stock is not the best, but once you upgrade it, dude, it's so sick. I'm stoked with it. But we are done with the build. I didn't get the build down on camera because I was just too stoked to just build it up, and I was just doing me time. So yeah, not gonna go on a super long run today, but still kind of healing up the ankle. But yeah, just gonna roll around. So yeah, join me for the ride. Like I said, it hurts jumping down a curb right now, so we're just gonna roll around. I miss you guys, I miss filming, so we're just gonna roll around on this thing. I have to say, the seat just sucks. It is not comfortable. I feel like people use it for like a stance look. People don't use this seat. There's no way. And if you were to use it, I'd use it on the track because you're not sitting on your bike. So if you're about to race this bike, the seat would be fine. But if you're just cruising around and sitting, hell no. Kind of sucks, but the look is awesome. I don't even know where to go. Should we go to the park? It's kind of far, but let's just see how far we can make it today. Oh my god, I'm so tempted to jump. I can't. God damn. I hate riding a bike and not being able to do what I want to do. But I'll take it because we haven't been here in a while. So just be grateful for what you have. Park seems so far right now, and I'm like super out of shape, so I haven't been eating that much lately, and it feels good, but alright, bro. Like, I just want to keep fucking going. About to smack the shit out of you, bro. Anyways, freaking plumbers, man. I could talk shit on plumbers because I was one. That was a shitty life. Sorry if anybody out there is a plumber, but literally a shitty life. But I have to tell you, just rolling around feels so fun. My ass hurts, but it's okay. Hopefully I don't die over here. Squeeze. No bike lane. LA is getting a little bit better at bike lanes, but for now, there's still a lot of places without them. Kind of sucks. Dude, there's an e-bike behind me. I am definitely going to be sore after this ride, after not riding my bike for a month. But so far, discluding the seat, I feel like this bike is more comfortable than the Haro Master, which I need to talk to you guys about. The Haro Master has the double top tube, which looks super cool, but dude, those things hurt when you're mashing. When you're mashing around standing up on the Haro Master, that top tube just hits you in the legs. I like to kind of do this. I don't know if you can see this, but have my leg resting onto my seat while I'm cruising. And when you're cruising on the Master, that top tube is just grinding on your leg, on the inside part of your knee, and it hurts so bad. Yeah, but we'll get into that in a bit. Let's just try to get to one destination. Going to bike lane. Sorry for the wind. It is really windy right now. I think I hate the wind more than the rain. Honestly. Finally got a little decline. Hopefully this tunnel's open so we can get through. Head up to college. Right. We're in the catacombs of the South Bay. And that's it. Sick. Right. Looking a little closed off here, boys. See what we can do. Actually, there might be a swap meet happening. Harvard College. One other thing I do need to get for this bike is a louder cog or freewheel, because I don't like it when people can't hear me passing by. I'll yell at people sometimes, mostly on the strand at the beach, but try not to, you know, unless I'm just like having that kind of day. Let's check out these ledges. I still have to come here and hit these for you guys, but they're butter ledges, super long too. Sick. Yeah, once I'm all healed up, we will be coming back here for some more vid action. Squirrel. Nice campus. Very nice, very nice. Funny fact, never went to college, and I didn't graduate high school because I chose the music life. I chose being a musician. Senior year, I was behind so many credits. I had a great opportunity to tour the US with my friend's band, and I took it. And never looked back. I'm still in a band today. If you want to follow us, we are under New Harbor, all one word. Anywhere you stream your music, we're probably there. So just look us up. Oh. I didn't really hurt too bad. Yeah, but if you want to further support me, we play, I say, hard rock, emo music. It's pretty cool. And I sing and play guitar in that band. So, funny fact, I chose the rock star life than going to school. All right. I'm winded, but you know what? I'm gonna give you what you guys want. I've been lagging in, not because I wanted to. I've been hurt in bed. Had to take a week off of work because I couldn't walk very good, and luckily I am a what do you call those? Essential worker. I'm an essential worker, so I get paid for my sick time and my vacation, so thank God I get covered for that, and can't ask for more. We're rolling up on Harbor Park. We're gonna go away that we haven't been. Probably end up here at the end of the video. Probably won't shoot me going back home. It's just too much. So yeah, we have not seen this yet. There's pollen everywhere. I haven't even been this way, so we're looking at new territory. Very exciting. It's pretty nice right now. It's got the sunflowers out. Are those sunflowers? I don't even know. Kind of tiny. Yep. Can't beat this. And we're going downhill. Oh my God, this feels great. And dead end. What's up, dude? Got you anything?
Doing more spin, baby. I wish the cables was the way.
Not on this one. Yeah.
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 Yeah, I used to go to the ride outs in LA and all that.
Oh yeah.
Man, the kids, man, dangerous ass.
Yeah.
Like, man, that's just
Those wheelie fools, man. Those are crazy fools. Yeah.
That shit's fucking, man.
Yeah.
Real close to a barracuda. Look how close to my jugular.
Oh my God.
Fucker slipped my, dude, like, cause I took the hook off and the fucker was just like, and it sliced me nice. It was like squirting.
Okay.
2 squirts like squirted out on the fucking fish, and the captain was just like, dude. And I was like, I'm holding it. He's like, yeah, I got some fucking rags for you, man. Come on, move, dude.
Yeah.
I was like, what? He's like, yeah, I'm just worried about you didn't fucking hit this. And I was like, no, I know. I was like, no, if I was right here, yeah, dude, yeah, I would have been fucking.
Dude,
like, yeah, you passed out real nice and slow too. Yeah, it's very scary. Here at 4 o'clock in the morning.
What they got in here?
Spot.
What they got in here?
Oh, they got bass, man. They got bluegill. They got carp.
Okay.
They got catfish.
Okay.
But the only thing that keeps stocking it up is the bluegill and carp.
Okay.
All the bass that was here, they used to stock it up like fucking since before I was born.
I don't know if I've ever eaten carp.
In the 80s, man.
Okay.
That was like Reggie the Gator was
Yeah,
around.
the gator, yeah.
Fuck yeah,
Yeah,
man.
there was an alligator in here. Freaking crazy.
Yeah, dude. I love fishing, man.
Yeah, it's like a whole experiment every day.
Pretty much.
All right, man, I'll be on my way.
Oh, yeah,
Nice meeting you. What was your name?
Bless you, bro. Kevin.
Rob.
Rob.
Yeah. God bless you, man.
Robert?
Yeah, Robert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
See ya.
Robert is Robert. You like Rob?
Rob, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I'll see you around.
God bless you, Rob.
Cool guy. All right, so seems like a dead end over here. You never know with people. That was probably the coolest guy I've met in so long. But when someone has a beer in their hand and they're fishing, might be a little weird sometimes. But that guy was so sick. Yeah, this was so nice, and then dead end. But it led me to a cool local. So, and he's from Texas. He's not even from here, so probably adapted to the LA life. All right, going back. That little downhill was so fun, and it looked nice with the flowers. Now going this way, kind of familiar, but the last time I was here was my first time, so. Excuse me. Hopefully I'm still filming. Wow. This is gonna be a long video, but I think we need it. I think we all need it. super nice day. It did rain in the morning, which is random because in California, well, Southern California, if it rains, it's gonna rain all day. Hell yeah, I got the wall. Bouncing on the wall. Catch anything today?
Nothing today.
Okay. Good luck, man. Oh, we got an incline. Oh, ankle is sore for sure. That was fun. That was a rat. Oh shit. It's like a rat squirrel. What do you call those things? It's like a mix between a squirrel and a rat. It's a rat fink. It would honestly be sad if I was correct about that. Rat fink. That was a band, I think. I think that was a punk band back in the day. I have a rat fink patch, actually. That the homie gave me. Alright. We're getting a workout for sure. And we are riding a super nice custom Haro shredder. One of one. Nobody has this exact bike. That is the beauty of customizing your bikes. There's never gonna be one like it. And this thing is just super comfortable. Other than the seats. But it's a fun whip. I can't wait till my ankle's good enough to throw some foo-foo-noos and stuff on it. Because it's my favorite tricks. You know why? Because they are semi-safe. And fairly easy if your brakes are dialed. Which lately, brakes haven't been on my side, but these are pretty dialed, so hopefully they stay that way. I think those kids were like trying to capture something and make it their pet. They had like a big ass tank. Ooh. We're mobbing today. We are mobbing. Where does this go? Where's this go? New territory. Hopefully we don't pop tire. Get some trail action. And we're done. We got dirt on the tires, boys. I think that was a pile of shit. Good thing I dodged it. We're officially BMXers. We touched the dirt. Hell yeah. It's crazy how like people really get stoked when they ride on dirt. It's insane. Don't get me wrong, I get stoked when I ride like an actual trail with jumps. That's sick. But I don't necessarily get excited just about dirt. It's a weird thing. But it is what it is. If it's BMX in any way, this hurts for me to say, but if it's BMX in any way, it's BMX. I don't know about 26 inch and 29, but anything under 24 is BMX. But if you got a 26 and you're a big ass boy, that is the bike for you. I'm just not that big. I'm 5'8". So 24, it's nice to cruise on, plus to whip around on. It's small enough to whip around on. And I like 24s, but my heart is at the 20. You guys know this. All right, went for a ride. I'm like a mile away from home. The rest of the way is super boring. Glad I'm back out. Glad you guys get to see me again, and we get the chat going on about BMX and how fun it is and how nice parts look on my bike. Yeah, you'll see me a lot more now, as long as I stay healthy. And yeah, do not forget to go out and ride your bike, because if you don't, you will regret it. Until next time, guys, goodbye.